Once again, see the question 12th one. What they given? The curve y is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus 5 touches the x-axis. Whenever it is touches the x-axis, y becomes 0. This point substitute in this equation. Okay. And the curve y-axis and the y-axis at the point B where its slope is 3. See the solution like this. The given equation you can do first derivative. Ax cube derivative 3x square, bx square derivative 2bx, cx derivative c, 5 derivative 0, leave it. It cuts y-axis means x becomes 0. In place of x, I substitute 0. And slope they only given 3. So left hand side 3, right hand side in place of x 0 means c is 3 you got. Now, the given question in place of x substitute -2. Then -2 whole cube minus 8a -2 whole square plus 4b, c given 3, x given -2, 3 2s are -6 plus 5 equal to 0. -6 plus 5 is -1. Transfer right hand side +1. Now go to the answer options. In place of a and b, substitute values, which is equal to 1. That is the answer. So a is -1/2, b is -3/4, and c is 3. -8 into -1/2, no ma? +4 you will get. What is the B option? -1/2. Okay. -1/2 into -8 you will get +4, -3 you will get 1. Therefore, answer is completed. Which option? Second option. Understand? Can I move to the 14th question, everyone? Because some of them are asking 14th question. Okay. For the curve y is equal to ax power n, the length of the subnormal at any point is a constant. What is the length of this subnormal means? Modulus of y1 into dy by dx. Correct, no? Y into m. M means dy by dx. For the curve y is equal to ax power n, the length of the subnormal at any point is a constant. The value of n must be, if you multiply this complete value, you need to get a constant. Constant means you won't get a x in that place. You will get only some value. Whether it is a positive or negative, it should be. Okay, positive only will get. Y is equal to ax power n. What is dy by dx? Dy by dx. A into x power n derivative. N into x power n minus. Correct? y1 ತಗೋಣ. a x power n into a into n x power n minus. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ. In place of n, if I substitute 1, what I will get? A square x power 1 I will get. We are getting answer in terms of x. So n equal to 1 not possible. In place of n, substitute 1/2. A x power 1/2 into a into 1/2 into x power 1/2 minus 1 minus 1/2. X power 1 by 2, X power minus 1 by 2 cancel. What you will get? A square by 2. It is a constant now. So what you substituted in place of n, we got a constant, means n is 1 by 2. Okay. Question number 15. For the curve x is equal to 3 cos theta, y equal to 3 sin theta, 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi, the tangent is parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis means slope becomes 0. So you can find dy by dx and you can equate to 0. Okay. X is equal to 3 cos theta, y is equal to 3 sin theta. X equal to 3 cos theta, y is equal to 3 sin theta, and the given condition 0 less than or equal to x, theta less than or equal to pi. Okay. Dy by dx, little shortcut I can write dy by d theta by dx by d theta. That means 3 cos theta by minus 3 sin theta. 3 cancel, cos by sine minus cot theta. They said parallel to x-axis means slope becomes 0. Cot theta is 0. Theta is, cot theta means 0 means what is theta value? 5 by 2, no? Which option? Third option, no? That's it. Very simple question. Dy by d theta by dx by d theta. They said it is parallel to x-axis. Any line parallel to x-axis slope is 0. I consider dy by d theta. That means cot theta is 0. Then theta is pi by 2. Understand? Copy this. Can I move to the next question? Everyone? Question number? What happened? Only 1 or 2 members are responding. What about remaining people? Everyone is awake. Everyone is listening. Please respond back, my dear students. For me also it is a Sunday. Even though I wake up for you, I am taking the class because you need to win now. If you get the rank, it is a very good option for you to get a very good seat in very good college. Okay. Very good. Question number 16, they given like this. The equation of the horizontal tangent to the curve y equal to e power x plus e power minus x. Very nice, important question. The equation of the horizontal tangent. What is meant by horizontal tangent means horizontal line means x-axis, no? That means after slope equate to 0, find x value. That x value I can substitute in question, you will get y value. Okay. Y equal horizontal means x-axis, no? That means slope is equal to 0. Y is equal to e power x plus e power minus x. Question number 16 I am speaking. The equation of the horizontal tangent to the curve y equal to e power x plus e power minus x. E power x plus e power minus x. After differentiation, dy by dx is equal to e power x to e power x. e power minus x divided to minus e power minus x. Horizontal means x-axis, slope equal to 0. That means e power x plus e power minus x is 0. Transfer e power x equal to e power minus x. Base are equal, so powers are also equal. X equal to minus x. 2x is 0. X is 0. This x is 0, substitute in given question. Y is equal to e power 0 plus e power minus 0. E power 0, 1, e power minus 0 also 1. Y is how much? 2. Which option? Third option. Understand? What is the complicated word in this question means horizontal. They didn't give directly the thing. They give horizontal line. Horizontal line means x-axis, slope of x-axis is 0. So indirectly they given this is called question is easy, answer is easy, but tricky. See the answer. Third option correct on 16th one. You have material with you now. Please check it. I think it's 17 very nice questions. These are all. If the curves y is equal to a power x and y equal to b power x intersected at an angle alpha, then tan alpha they given. This type of questions, damn sure they can ask in the examination. Okay. If the curves y is equal to a power x and y is equal to b power x intersect at an angle alpha, then tan alpha they're asking. How to find tan alpha means, Manisha, switch off your camera. Taking log on both sides, and you can find I can say to you m1 m2. Y is equal to a power x, y is equal to b power x. First I can equate these two. A power x equal to b power x means what is x value? 0 now. X equal to x to x. A power 0 is equal to b power 0 no. That means 1 is equal to 1. Okay, keep it in mind. Take log on both sides. Log y is equal to x log a. Log y is equal to x log b. Next, shall we do differentiate? Or else direct differentiation. Okay, with this step also. Direct differentiation also possible. Okay, in a shortcut. dy by dx. Let's assume this is m1. A power x log a. So m1 is equal, in place of x substitute 0, a power 0 log a. A power 0 means 1. So you will get log a. This is you differentiate. dy by dx is equal, let us assume this is m2. B power x log b. In place of x substitute 0, b power 0 log b. Log b, m2. Tan alpha we want. Tan alpha formula m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Yes or no? Yesterday we discussed. Log a minus log b by 1 plus log a log b. If you have any confusion about this particular step, no confusion. When we substitute in place of x, what we can substitute in place of x, those both are equal. A power 0, 1, b power 0, 1, then only it is equal. Remaining any value, those two are not equal. So x is 0. Okay. So I did first derivative. In place of x substituted 0, m1. I did check here also first derivative. In place of x substitute 0, m2. After getting m1, m2, I substitute in formula. Which option? Log a minus log b by 1 plus log a log b. I hope it is a second option and the right answer also. d by dx of a power x log a. d by dx of b power x log b. Correct? Formula. Only those formulas are used. Next, in place of x, I substituted 0. Why it is 0, I clearly mentioned here. First, I started the problem here only. A power x, both y A power x equal to b power x means what is the value of x? 0. Then I substituted here a power 0, b power 0, 1, 1. So m1 is log a, m2 is log b. This is only logic in the question. That's why first only I wrote this one. A power x is equal to b power x means what is the value of x? 0. If x is 0, only those two are equal. In this question, they said x square by 16 plus y square 25 is 1 and x square by a plus y square 16 is 1. Both are orthogonal. This is the condition for orthogonal recursion. According to first, what is a square value? 16. A is 4. B square is 25. B is 5. According to second, a1 square is equal to a. A1 is root a. B1 square is 16. B1 is 4. If you substitute here, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by root a minus 1 by 4. Interchange to this one, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by root a. 20 LCM, 5 minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 1 by root a. 10 minus 4, 6 by 20 is equal to 1 by root a. 3 by 10. 3 by 10 means 9 by 100 you will get a value. Answer is not there. A value is 100 by 9. 1 by a is 9 by 100 because 2 table cancel now 3 times 10 times. After squaring on both sides, a is equal to 9 by 100. 1 by a is equal to 9 by 100. A is equal to 100 by 9. Okay. This is the answer. 9 9s are 81, 9 12s are approximate answer is the not exact answer. 2 by 100 no. 2 by 10 no. LCM I taken. Take properly LCM. The given equation x by a plus y by x by a all power n plus y by all power n is equal to 2. Touch is x by a plus y by equal to. What is derivative of this one? N into x by a whole power n minus 1 into x by a derivative 1 by a plus n into y by b whole power n minus 1 into y by b derivative 1 by b is equal to 0. A comma b, if you substitute, what you will get? Here dy by dx also is there, no? In place of x, I mean this one n by a minus n by b dy by dx is equal to 0. Dy by dx is equal to minus b by a. Minus a by b. Is there any n value here? There is no n value means if you substitute in place of an anything both, because if you transfer right hand side, what will happen? N by a is equal to minus n by b dy by dx. If in place of any, if you substitute 2, both cancel. 3 cancel, 4 cancel, 5 cancel, 6 cancel, minus 2 cancel, minus 10 cancel. In place of n, if you substitute any value, anyway both are cancelled now. So n belongs to any real number. Any real number. Which option? Fourth option, no? Any real number. Because those both get cancelled. In dy by dx, we are getting only minus a by b. We don't get any n. So if you substitute in place of any value, this question won't change. You are getting answer same. Understand? Touches means both slopes are equal. Second equation, if you find the slope, what you will get? Same you will get now. Minus a by b. X by a plus y by b is equal to slope how much? What is the slope of this line? Minus a by b. Correct? Huh? Whatever value you can substitute in place of n, the both slopes are same means n is any value possible. Question number 21. They given the 2 cos y square equal to 4x and x square plus y square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0 at the point 1, 2. We'll see. 2y divided by x is equal to 4. Substitute 1, 2 in place of x 1 now, in place of y 2. Then divided by x will get 1. Here 2x plus 2y divided by x minus 6 equal to 0. Substitute 1, 2 in place of x 1 now. 2 plus 2 to 4 divided by x minus 6 equal to 0. So divided by x equal to 1. Both are equal. Both equal means what is the condition? Options touch each other. Previous 19th question also we discussed now. Touch each other means both slopes are equal. So here also both slopes are equal means touch each other. Touch each other. Okay. That is the concept.